Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into a blue light card account. So for those people who do not know what do you get with the blue light card, well, with the blue light card you are given a discount on the blue light card provider workers, some retired workers and volunteers in the NHS, emergency service, armed forces and the social care sector, with various freebies and discount for retail, shopping, eating out, services and more. So basically that's what you get with a blue light card. Alright, now if you guys understand what you get, now let me show you guys how you guys can log in into its account. Just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel How to Guide for future videos just like this. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for blue light card and click on where it says login over here, and it's going to take you to bluelightcard.co.uk. Click on agree to all. It's basically asking you to agree to all of its terms and service. If you want to read it, you can read it, but I didn't want it to, so I was just going to click on agree to all. All right. And remember this, once you come to this website, it says co.uk, because this website is actually for UK users, which means if you are, if you are a citizen of UK, you can use blue light card service. All right. If you're outside UK, it's going to be a bit hard, but you can still, get access to it some way or the other. Now, once you're over here on the login page, over here, you need to enter your email, whichever email you used when you created your light blue card account over here. After you enter your email, where it says passport, enter the password of your account. After you enter the password of your account, click on login, and you should be able to log in into your blue light card account. And if you are not able to, then your passport or like your email might be wrong, so make sure to double check them. And if you forgot a passport, you can always click on forgotten passport to recover your passport as well. And if you want to create yourself a light blue account, you can click on create account in order to create yourself a light blue account as well. All right, but that's the basic gist of how you guys can log in into your blue light card account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. If you guys have any question, ask us in the comment. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye until then, and have a nice day.